Hello guys, Rachel here of Archaeologist Gaming. Today, we're gonna do the short unboxing and also reviewing the Durgod K610w Corona wireless mechanical keyboard. Let's do the unboxing! Inside the box, you will find the user's manual, the keycap and switch puller, the USB Type-C to Type-A cable, the receiver adapter, and lastly, the Durgod K610w Corona keyboard. Let's go to specifications and features. The keyboard has dimensions of 439 by 142 by 37.5 millimeters with a weight of 12.32 kilograms. The Durgod K610w comes in two colors, Island with a black and green color scheme and Echo with white and blue. The keyboard is sturdy and doesn't bend easily. The body of the keyboard adopts a double-layered design. The top and bottom are white, while the middle is black. You can also see the Durgod branding on the rightmost side. The keycaps used in this keyboard are double-shot PBT keycaps, which means that this will last longer and wear-resistant. The font is also looking good. The switches in this keyboard sample are Kale Turbo Red switches. But if you don't like the switches, these are hot swappable and compatible with the triangular and pentagonal axis. It also makes the maintenance easier. The concavity of the keycaps is also enough for your fingers, as it really fits to the curves of your fingers. At the back of the keyboard, you will find 4 rubber feet at the 4 corners to prevent slipping while using it. Also, you can find another Durgod branding and some specifications at the back. There is a 2-stage foot support included to adjust the angle that you may find comfortable while using the keyboard. Both stages have rubber feet. Also at the back, there is a compartment for a 2.4 GHz wireless receiver. This is a good feature to store your dongle without losing it if you're not using it. The power button can be found at the top left of the keyboard. Also, the USB Type-C port can be found here for charging your keyboard or using the keyboard in wire mode. There are 5 status indicators on the topmost right of the keyboard, above the numpad keys. This indicates the num lock, caps lock, Windows lock, configuration indicator, and battery indicator. Another function of these is to see what mode of the keyboard you are using, either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi mode. There are function keys available for the keyboard even without using the software. From keys Q to R, you can change the keyboard connection mode. From F1 to F7 are your multimedia keys. F12 is your profile configuration key, and from the print screen down to your arrow keys are for your lighting configuration shortcuts. The keyboard has white LEDs, though it's not that bright when you have a bright light in your room, but in the dark, the lighting is very clear. The white LEDs will also turn off if you're not using your keyboard for a few minutes. Using the function and print screen key, you can change your lighting without using the software. It has 9 presets to choose from. The USB Type-C to A cable is not braided and comes in white. Based on my measurement, it has a length of 1.8 meters. This cable can be used as an extension for your wireless receiver, to charge the battery, or to use wire mode. This keyboard also uses the Durgod Zeus engine. This is where you can configure or customize your keys for macros or shortcuts. You can disable some functions like Alt-Tab up to disabling your Windows key. You can add different types of profiles for different types of games or configurations. In this software, you can change your lighting presets, the brightness, and speed of the preset. You can also turn off the lighting here. I tested the keyboard in the games I played this year. I didn't find any input delays while playing. Wireless keyboards really improve in this matter, especially playing fast-paced games as it needs no delays. A small input delay can also lead to your defeat in games. I have sweaty fingertips even when I play in an air-conditioned room, but the keys are still good to touch and brings a comfortable feel. I don't like white keys as they're easy to get dirty, but this keyboard doesn't get dirty that easily. If it does, it is easy to wipe it off. So, during gameplay and also office works, this is a good keyboard based on my opinion. Here are my final thoughts. The K610w Corona is one of the newest keyboards from Durgod. What I really like about this keyboard is the refreshing aesthetics because of the color scheme and a built-in silencing shock absorber inside. This means that the keyboard is like a custom keyboard where you add some modifications. The switches are also looped, so for me, Durgod thinks ahead for the users. I've been always a fan of Durgod keyboards, not because they sponsored my very first video, but because their keyboards are sturdy and reliable. All of my keyboards from them are still alive, though some people will not make this keyboard an option immediately because of the price. Somehow it is true as this keyboard is not cheap. Also, Durgod claims the battery will last for 360 days, with 8 hours a day of usage if you will use a Bluetooth connection, and 200 days if you're using a Wi-Fi connection. So, the anxiety of an empty battery is solved by this. Overall, this keyboard is worth trying and I can highly recommend it. I may not be a keyboard enthusiast, but I know this keyboard is a really good one based on my experience when using this keyboard. You can buy the Durgod K610w Corona around the price of $129 or around 7,100 pesos at the time of recording and exchange rate at your nearest Durgod affiliated stores. I hope this video is informational for you. For more videos, click on the subscribe button and follow my Facebook page. And see you in the next video.